Ready, howdy.
Blue number one.
Blue number one.
That's what I thought. You were barely hitting those things, so. Hit them. Got him.
Good shot, Gavin. Nice hit.
Oh.
Way off. You wiggled when you walked? Okay, babe. I think you on trace. Wind is pretty good.
To the right of his chest, yeah, to the right of his chest, half an inch.
Way over his back. Right over his back.
Not way over.
Way on. So I told you that is way over.
Oh, just off his butt.
All right.
His tail joins his butt, like an eighth of an inch. You got plenty of time. You got a minute 17
Do the last one?
for these two. Yep, number 4.
Number 4.
In front of his beak, yeah, in front of his beak, half an inch.
For the back.
No, I pulled the trigger too soon. Oh, that's terrible.
What is it with you and threes?
That was 3 the hard way.
Hey? Did you get any more than 3?
Yeah.
In back of his tail.
Just one side of it, one side of it.
You did, you what?
Look at that. She can't seem to get over 3.
Man, Chris,
Very consistent. I put $5.
I know for what.
I came up.
Yeah.
I got his bump trigger onto my first stage to come down.
That's good.
I
That's
just
good.
pulled
Thing
it.
is, really hard now, Sarah. I normally get those. I was working at Target yesterday in Waco. Hey, we need some more new timers, so I went and bought some more.
Fill these next 5.
They're compact and they're nice.
Nice. Very nice.
It's got big numbers. You can see it, but I just can't hear it. I need
Right.
a
See, I got
floor.
her one a little bit bigger with bigger numbers.
Are they in the
She's
kitchen,
fine.
kitchen area?
The kitchen's gadget area.
Right. Right. Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's what I found mine too. I just wish I could take the timer off or something like that. Make it pretty big.
How's
I
placement?
think you'll cover that.
It's okay in the body?
Hey, tape, put a piece of tape
Yeah,
on it.
a couple shots in the breast, but
It'll
quite
muffle
a
it
few
enough.
look like they're pretty much center mass
Maybe
hits.
nobody would hear it.
Or silicone in it.
Relay 1 for your third bank of animals. Ready.
Take some silicone and shoot it up in there.
Yeah. But that would muffle it, and then it just run out. But it probably used the battery a lot.
I don't know any more than just sitting there.
5.
Okay, how do you got a fire?
Okay.
See it?
Yeah.
Did you wiggle again? You gotta quit wiggling.
Yeah, it's unbelievable it was able to get over there without knocking him over. Okay, number 2. Plenty of time.
Good hit. Yeah, I see the head hit. I see that from here.
Good shot. Nice shot.
Number 3.
Pulled the trigger on the wrong part of my arc.
Chicken number 3, plenty of time, a minute 40.
Okay. You got plenty of time.
Gosh, dang it. Got behind his book.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, we're gonna stay with the threes, or are you gonna try for a 4 this time?
Minute 20. We're on number 4.
Right on the edge of the breast.
Yeah.
No wiggle.
That one didn't feel very clean.
Number 4.
Wow, she actually made it to 4 this time.
Just off his front. Camping, it's impossible to shoot any closer without knocking him over. Okay, we've got
Oh, that was my breast too.
46 seconds for number 5. So let's whack this guy. What's in back of this too? Yeah, that's what I did too, David.
I can't believe she actually hit 4 this time.
Oh,
After all her
splattered
threes.
one up.
That one actually felt a lot more solid. I took a minute out.
Okay, very nice stuff.